Wiring a battery in series is a way to increase the voltage of a battery. For example, if you connect two of our 12-volt 135 amp-hour batteries in series, you'll create one battery that has 24 volts and 135 amp-hours. Connecting three 12-volt batteries will get you 36 volts and four 48 volts. Here's how to wire your batteries in series to get that higher voltage. To get started, you will need the batteries that you want to connect. Note that no more than four 12-volt batteries should be linked in series or no higher than 48 volts. You also want the correct gauge wire. We're using a gauge 6 wire here, and a wrench. Before connecting each battery in series, make sure to charge each battery individually. This is called balancing the battery and ensures that they are all at the same starting voltage when being wired together. To wire the batteries together, remove the terminal bolts from each battery and set them aside. Connect one end of a cable to the positive terminal and reinstall the terminal bolt. Take the same wire, now attached to the first battery, and attach the other end to the negative terminal on battery 2. Replace the terminal bolt for the negative end. These two batteries now make a 24-volt bank. For a 36-volt bank, grab another cable and connect the cable to the positive terminal on battery 2. Replace the positive terminal bolt. Take that same cable and attach the other end to battery 3's negative terminal. Replace the negative terminal bolt. You now have a 36-volt battery bank. For a 48-volt bank, grab one more cable and repeat the process. Connect it to the positive terminal from battery 3 and the other end to the negative terminal on battery 4. Before moving forward, take your wrench and tighten the bolts to the correct torque. The recommended torque may be found on the battery's product page. For these 135 amp-hour batteries, the recommended torque is 10 foot-pounds. Now you are ready to connect your devices. For this 48-volt bank, you'll be using the open negative terminal on battery 1 and the open positive terminal on battery 4. If you stopped at a 24-volt or 36-volt bank, you'll use the open positive terminal on batteries 2 or 3 respectively.